In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a header transparent in Wix Studio. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're new to the Wix Studio editor, you'll be able to follow along easily. A transparent header is a great way to give your site a clean, modern look, especially if you're using a large hero image or a full screen section at the top of your page. It lets your content shine through while keeping your navigation visible. First, log into your Wix account. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at your site dashboard. Here, look for the section related to your site setup. Toward the top right of the dashboard, you should see a button labeled Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new page or tab that loads the Wix Studio editor for your website. Give the editor a moment to load. When it opens, you'll see your site as it currently appears, with different sections stacked on the page. Focus on the very top area of your site, where your logo and navigation usually sit. This is your header. Click once directly on the header section. When you do, a floating toolbar will appear near the header. This toolbar lets you quickly adjust design settings for that specific section. On this toolbar, look for the option that says Change Header Design and click it. A settings pop-up will open, showing different design controls for your header. At the top of this pop-up, you'll see tabs. Make sure you're on the Regular tab. This tab controls how your header looks in its normal state, when visitors are just viewing your site without hovering or clicking on anything. In the Regular tab, find and click the option called Fill Color and Opacity. This is where you control how solid or transparent your header background is. Inside this panel, you'll see a slider that represents the opacity of your header's fill color. Drag the slider toward the left to make the header more transparent, or toward the right to make it more solid. As you adjust it, you'll see the change happen live on your page, so you can stop when it looks right with your background. If you prefer a precise value, you can also type in a specific percentage in the field to the right of the slider. Smaller percentages mean more transparency, larger percentages mean less. Once you're happy with how the header looks, simply close the pop-up and remember to publish your site to make the changes live. And that's it. You've successfully made your header transparent in Wix Studio.